This is the simple design for today. I will do the flowers in a different way. I'll do 3D flowers which I will show you how to do. And these leaves will be in satin stitch. For the leaves, I am going to use satin stitch, a very simple stitch. The only thing you have to be careful about is there shouldn't be too much gap between two stitches. That's all. A simple stitch. Like this, I am going to complete the leaves using satin stitch. I will do the flowers in a different way. I will use a pencil like this. Then first tie a knot over here. Cut off that extra thread. Then just a loop like this. Loop like this and take it round the pencil. Don't pull it very much. You shouldn't make this very hard. Just a loop like this. I have done it 19 times. The loop like this. After doing 19 loops, take a needle, take the other end of the thread into the needle and go on top of each loop. Put the thread round the needle and pull up the needle. It's just like buttonhole stitch. Do that for all the loops. Okay? Do it very carefully. You shouldn't miss out on any of the stitches. Just the thread round the needle and pull the needle gently. That's all. For this I have used 6 strands of thread. All the 6 strands of thread I have used. After you have finished doing for all the loops, very slowly just start taking this out from the pencil. Start detaching this from the pencil. Once you have taken out the pencil, just turn this and take the needle through all the loops. Don't miss out on any loops. Do it very carefully. You take the needle through all the loops that have been formed. Don't miss out on a single loop. Once you have done that, just pull the needle through. Your petal is done. Just to secure it once again, go through all the tiny loops once again. This is done. Do not cut off this extra thread, let it be, because you have to fix these petals later on. After completing the petals, that extra thread I had told you not to cut it off, you just place it and just put it below and secure the petal. That's all. Just put it below. Once or twice you will attach this, and that's all. I have used 4 different colors. You may use the colors of your choice. After fixing all the petals, the design will look like this. I have used 15 petals of different colors. If you have liked my video, kindly like, share and subscribe.